Optimizing Credit.com installment loans requires a thorough understanding of the loan process and careful planning. To begin, it is essential to check your credit score, as it plays a significant role in determining the interest rate and loan amount. A good credit score can help you qualify for lower interest rates and more favorable loan terms. Next, determine how much you need to borrow and for how long. Credit.com offers installment loans with varying repayment terms, so it is crucial to choose a term that fits your financial situation. A longer repayment term may lower your monthly payments, but you will pay more in interest over the life of the loan. When applying for a Credit.com installment loan, make sure to provide accurate and complete information. Inaccurate or incomplete information can lead to delays or even loan rejection. Once you have submitted your application, Credit.com will review your creditworthiness and provide you with a loan offer. To optimize your loan, consider the following key concepts. First, make timely payments to avoid late fees and negative credit reporting. Second, try to pay more than the minimum payment each month to pay off the principal amount faster and reduce the total interest paid. Third, avoid applying for multiple loans at the same time, as this can negatively affect your credit score. Practical examples of optimizing Credit.com installment loans include setting up automatic payments to ensure timely payments and using the snowball method to pay off high-interest loans first. Best practices also include regularly reviewing your loan terms and adjusting your payment schedule as needed. By following these steps and considering these key concepts, you can optimize your Credit.com installment loan and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always review the loan terms carefully and ask questions if you are unsure about any aspect of the loan process. With careful planning and responsible borrowing, you can use Credit.com installment loans to improve your financial situation and achieve long-term financial stability.